Hello everyone, I'm Twinkle and I welcome you all to my channel Tea's Treasure. So today I'm going to make quick and refreshing drinks, that is virgin mojito and watermelon mojito. So let's get started. These are the required ingredients. To begin with virgin mojito, add 1 tablespoon of sliced lemon, few mint leaves, and gently muddle it. This is one of the easiest drinks that you can prepare at home. It's muddled. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, not too much, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of crushed ice. After that, add 3 to 4 mint leaves again. And finally, fill the remaining glass with Sprite. You can substitute Sprite with soda as well and mix it well. So virgin mojito is ready to serve. You can see it hardly took 2 minutes to prepare. Next is watermelon mojito. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon slices, few mint leaves, and around 10 to 12 watermelon slices. As watermelon is a watery fruit, so you can add multiple slices, no problem. And muddle it well. It's muddled. Now add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, then 3 to 4 tablespoons of crushed ice. As watermelon and Sprite is already sweet, we add only 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. And now add few mint leaves again. And finally, fill rest of the glass with Sprite. And mix it well. So watermelon mojito is ready to serve. This drink required only 6 ingredients, and you can see the result is wonderful. So now you can easily prepare these drinks at your home and enjoy. If you have liked today's recipe, do comment on the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And for more such tasty recipes, stay tuned only on Tea's Treasure.